Hey guys, welcome back. If you have a lawn tractor tire that just won't take any air, the beads on the tire don't want to hug against the rim, what you need to do is put some bead sealer on both sides of the tire between the rim and the tire bead. And then what you need to do is put a tie down all the way around the tire, tighten it up just so that the beads of the tire hug the rim, just like this. And now that tire will actually take the air. There we go. The other alternative is to put a tire tube inside your tire. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you're subscribed and check out my other small engine repair videos. Have a great day.